gogoevan.com बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider.
Hello guys, Pranali here from gogoevan.com. Welcome back to our channel gogoevan.com. So guys, in my last video I have give you a short information about what is the difference between job and business role. So guys, today I am here with a new topic, that is advantages and disadvantages of job. So guys, one of the advantages in job profile is that the flexibility of working hours. Like in job you have to work just for 8 hours or 10 hours, which is your flexible job working hours given by or fixed by the higher authority. Then the second one is earn additional benefits. You can earn additional benefits like insurance and bonus and pencils and many more, like hospitality, traveling expense and many more you can get by the company, depending on how you work or how you give your 100% to that particular job profile. Then the one of the best advantage and one of the important advantage in job profile is that you will get a fixed amount of salary every month, which is fixed by your higher authority or the owner of the company. But then also, if the company suffers with losses, if the company is at the lower stage, then also you will get the particular sum of amount or sum of salary which is fixed. So guys, this is one of the most important advantages in the job factor. Then the next one is monetary and non-monetary work recognition. This one is also matters. And the next advantage is that the promotion policies. Every employee wish that he will get the promotion at some stage. He wants to get promoted at higher level, higher stage. So in job profile or in employment, you will enjoy the paid vacation holidays. At some stages, the company recommended or select a particular person by looking his hard work, by looking his job, by looking his sincerity, and the company gives him a particular package, like you have an opportunity to go at vacations at particular place, and all the expenses will be paid by our company. So guys, this is one of the advantages in the job profile. Now we will go with the disadvantages in job profile. One of the main disadvantages that in job profile, that everyone wants the promotion. So the increasing competition for the hunt of promotion and recognition is one of the disadvantages which matters. Then the second one is workplace politics. In every organization this happens, because if this employee is not satisfied with that employee, or the employee is jealous with the other one, so the workplace politics happens in every organization. It totally depends upon us and our nature, that how we can look for it and how we make a solution. One of the disadvantages is that your ideas may not be appreciated. In some of the organizations, we will see that the ideas given by the employees are not too much appreciated by the job and all. So this is one of the disadvantages in job profile. Then the other disadvantage, or the most important disadvantage, is job switching. Sometimes if you are get fired, then it is very difficult and time consuming to search for the next job. So this is one of the disadvantages in job factor. So guys, thanks for giving your valuable time for watching my video. If you like my video, just like and subscribe our channel gogoevan.com, and for more information just visit our website www.gogoevan.com. So guys, thank you once again. Thank you.
gogoevan.com बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider. gogoevan world class manufacturer or supplier. बिजली वाहन उद्योग में quality assurance, competitive price और advanced technology. gogoevan education system. बिजली वाहन उद्योग में skills or ability accelerated.
Go A1 Research and Development Center.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में हर इंजीनियर की शान और इन्वेंटर की जान.
Go A1 Incubation Center. बिजली वाहन उद्योग में
नई सोच, नया भविष्य, नए स्टार्टअप का बुलंद साथीदार.
Go A1 ODM और ODM Supplier. ब्रांड आपका, आइडिया आपका, टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी.
Go A1. Ride into the future.